Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share the recipe of a very tasty beef perelan. This is a typical Kerala beef curry using coconut oil, curry leaves and spices. The Malayalam word perelan or purateda means covered or coated. In this recipe, the beef pieces are well coated and is cooked in masala gravy. I believe the beauty and taste of this dish depends on its stirring part and also to the correct heat given to the pan during its cooking time. So, if you like Kerala style beef curries, do try out this recipe. This goes well with rice, porota, appam, and so on. Before going to the recipe, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. Into a bowl, add half kg beef pieces. It is measured after cleaning. Cut it into biteable size. Add 4 small onion chopped. One and a half teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 1 green chilli chopped, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 and a half teaspoon coriander powder, one by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, one by 4 teaspoon garam masala, 1 by 4 to half teaspoon pepper powder, half tablespoon vinegar and salt to taste. Marinate these beef pieces with these masalas and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Pressure cook the beef by adding 1 and a half cup of water and cook on high flame for 1 whistle, and after that cook on low to medium flame for 10 to 12 whistles or until the beef is cooked well. Into a mixer jar, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 and a half to 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon fennel, 2 teaspoon chopped ginger and garlic, and grind it to a smooth paste by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and grind it to a smooth paste. Heat oil in a wide and deep pan and add 2 medium onion chopped and cook till it becomes golden brown. Add salt and mix well. Add the masala paste and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the raw smell goes and oil starts appearing. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. Add 1 by 4 cup of coconut slices and mix well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until oil starts appearing. Add 1 medium tomato chopped and mix well. Cook till it becomes soft. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to bring all the masalas together and mix well. The beef is now ready. The cooking time of the beef may vary according to the beef used. Now add this cooked beef along with the stock to the masala. Add the cooked beef along with water and mix well, and let it boil on high flame. When it starts boiling, reduce the flame to the lowest and continue cooking till the gravy is reduced and the beef pieces are well coated with the masala. If you want gravy in the curry, adjust the cooking time accordingly. Heat oil in a small pan and add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts spluttering, add curry leaves, 4 to 5 small onion and 2 dry chilies. Fry till the onions becomes golden brown. Add this tempering to the beef perelon and mix well. Let the curry rest for 25 to 30 minutes for the flavor to settle in. The very tasty beef perelon is now ready. You can serve this along with rice, puttu, paratha, appam, patiri, etc. If you like Kerala style beef preparations, do try out. I am sure you will love this. That's all for today's video. Hope you all like this recipe. Do try out this at home and let me know your feedbacks. Please subscribe my channel by clicking the bell icon for more updates. Please share this recipe to your friends and family. See you with more videos Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.